Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is the day. Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic, her channel will be linked down below, and myself are announcing the swap partners for our second annual Summer Vibes swap. This is a one-on-one swap. Signups were available until July 15th, and today is the announcement for who the swap partners are. Before I announce the swap partners, a couple of quick things. Please remember that all swap packages are due before September 16th. Please verify that you do have appropriate postage on your packages since the postage has gone up yet again. That is so sad. The swap requirements are that you do a tag flip with at least 5 tags, a decorated embellishment box, an ATC or memory decks card, check with your partner, a set of bag toppers, a store-bought goodie, no less than 5, but you can spend whatever you would like, and a sweet treat, but no chocolate. Once the swap partners are announced, please be sure to reach out to your partner. If you don't know them, please get to know them, their likes and dislikes, so that everybody is receiving a fun and happy swap package. If you did a VR or a community post and you did not see a comment from myself or from Sharon, please let us know so we can go over and add you into the entries for the giveaway. Please check out Sharon's channel for her rules. For my rules, these are the people that were entered into my giveaway so far. Donna, Liana, Diana twice because she did a VR, Jen because she did a community as well as a VR, Ginger, and Laura. I didn't receive any tags for anyone additional, so please feel free to message me or re-tag me if I did miss you. My new Dewdrop Summer Vibes Release 2024 is currently available in my Etsy shop. We have the lime green, flamingo pink, lemon yellow, and the ocean blue. If you're interested in purchasing, you can check out my Etsy shop or feel free to send me a direct message. All of the swap partners will be linked down below. Some of the partners are on Instagram. Please find your swap partner, follow them, and feel free to give sneak peeks and little posts of your projects along the way. I do currently have an Anything Goes challenge that you can tag me in at #DoubleClickConnectChallenge. I will link my challenge post up above and you can receive an entry into one of my Dewdrop prizes. Let's get on with the exciting swap partner reveal. We had quite a few entries. This is very exciting. All of these channels, like I said, will be linked down below. We have Sharon at From Cheap to Chic, swapping with Ginger over at Ginger's Plans Crafts Beauty, myself at DoubleClick Connect, swapping with Raquel from Craft Caboose, Liana at It's a Deal, swapping with Elizabeth at The Crafty Cricket, Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos, swapping with Meekaboo at Meekaboo32, Diana at Diana Loves Colors will be swapping with Dana over at Butterfly Crafts and Crochet, Lene at Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond will be swapping with Deborah over at My Honey Crafts, Deanna, the Blonde Amazon, will be swapping with Pebbles over at Colita's Creations, Stace from Stace will be swapping with Lacey, the Cheeky Bum, Alice from My Frugal Wonderland will be swapping with Annie at Annie's Paper Crafts over on Instagram, Jen, Sassy Southern NC Girl, will be swapping with Crystal at Paper Crafting Crystal, Krissa at K3 Crafts over on Instagram, will be swapping with Donna at Donna Quintero over on Instagram, Amy from Amy_COO over on Instagram, will be swapping with Jessica at Jessica Plans and Crafts. She is also over on Instagram, and Sharon will also be swapping with Beck at Beck's Crafts and More. This is very exciting. I am so looking forward to all of the swap entries this year. I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. Here in Arizona, we have been hitting temperatures of 119. It has been crazy hot, and I have been really enjoying all the time that I am trapped here in my craft room, and I am really looking forward to checking out all of the swap entries. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Sharon through email, tag us on Instagram, or leave a comment on YouTube. We thank everyone so much for your support and have a great day. Bye guys.